Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. As you can see, I have a student record, and I want to get the record of any student by just using the roll number instead of searching and locating that student in the list. So for this, I am using the VLOOKUP formula here. So first, add the equal sign. Next, write VLOOKUP. Next, start parenthesis, then select the lookup value, so I am selecting the roll number. Then add a comma. Then select the table array, then add a comma. Next, add the column index number, so my column index is student name, and it is the second column in the table. So my column index number is 2. Next, add a comma. Next, select false for the exact match, or you can also add 0 for the exact match, then close the parenthesis and press enter from your keyboard. And that's it. Now with the same process, we use VLOOKUP to obtain marks and grades. First, add the equal sign. Next, write VLOOKUP. Next, start parenthesis, then select the lookup value. Next, add a comma. Then select the table array, then add a comma. Next, add the column index number, so it obtains marks, and it is the 4th column in the table. Next, add 0 and close the parenthesis, and then press enter from your keyboard. And that's it. I am skipping the last cell, but with the same process, I am applying the VLOOKUP formula for grade. Now have a look how it works. So, I am just using the roll number here to get the record of the student. Like I am adding roll number 5 here and press enter, and I will get the record of that student, as you can see in the table. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.